Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix Minecraft GetSockOPT error. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, fix your date and time right here at the bottom right. Right click on it and click on adjust date and time. Wait for it to load. Other once it loads, make sure that you select the correct region. And then select the correct time zone if a set time zone automatically is grayed out for you, because you will need location permissions for this one to be available. So if you want this one to be enabled, well, just click on location settings right here and enable it. Okay, so just make sure that you select the correct time zone and then enable set time zone automatically. And then after that, scroll down and just click on sync now. Okay, click on sync now, and after that, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down CMD, run as administrator. Now CMD will open. Just go ahead and type down ipconfig space /flush DNS. Okay, hit on enter. ipconfig space /release. Hit enter. ipconfig space /renew. Hit on enter. Wait for the process to finish, and once that's done, go ahead and type down netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter. netsh space int space IP space reset. Hit on enter, and then once that's done, close command prompt, restart your computer. And after that, you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and go to your control panel right here. Now make sure that you're under large icons. Now click on network and sharing center. Now in the top left, we have change adapter settings. Click on it and just double click on the network that you're currently using. Okay, now click on properties. Find TCP IPv4 properties and just copy my settings. Obtain an IP address automatically. Use the following DNS server addresses: 88888844. Now hit on OK. Close, 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 and launch Minecraft, and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, if it works and it's laggy, well, you can go ahead and change the DNS to 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Okay, this one is from Cloudflare. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.